Hello students, let's learn how we can appear paper or appear examination from mobile phone. Now to appear examination from mobile phone, you have to open the browser, which is Google Chrome. Now after opening the browser, Google Chrome browser, you have to write the link or you have to type the URL. Okay, so what is the URL? The URL is skm.ssyourself.in. So this is the URL which you have to type in the Google Chrome browser. Now after typing this link, you have to click enter. Now as soon as you click enter, the second page which will open in front of you is a login page. So it will be asking for your login ID and password. Now in the login ID and password, every student has to give their unique ID. Every students will be provided their unique ID. So what is the unique ID? The unique ID is ADM, A small, D small, M small. Okay, ADM underscore. Now this can you see, this is an underscore button. That is, this is how the underscore looks like. It is not dash, please don't confused. It is, this is underscore. So ADM underscore your registered mobile number, whatever mobile number you have provided to the school, that mobile number is your registered mobile number. So say for example, my registered mobile number is this, which I am typing at this moment. Say this is my registered mobile number which I am typing here. Okay, so ADM underscore my registered mobile number, then at the rate capital N capital E 0353. This is my school code. So at the rate NE 0353 is my school code. So this is your ID. What is the password? The password is 2001 0101. I repeat, the password is 2001 0101. Okay, so this is the ID password which you have to provide. The ID is ADM underscore your registered mobile number at the rate NE 0353, which is your school code. The password is 2001 0101, and then click login. Now as soon as you click login, it will redirect to a page towards your dashboard page. Okay, so once the dashboard page opens, since you're opening it or accessing it from your mobile phone, you have to change the dashboard page into a desktop site. Now how do you change? Can you see that you cannot see every pages, right? Everything is showing half of or maybe incomplete. Now for changing it to a desktop site, please follow me. You have to come to the right hand side extreme top. You will see there are three small dots. You have to click on the three small dots and you have to enable the desktop site. I hope you can see a big page is open in front of me. Now if I count from down, the last is help and feedback, settings, and then desktop site. You have to tick mark on the desktop site, and as soon as you tick mark on the desktop site, this page will open in front of me. Now this is my page. Okay, I'm a student and this is my page. Now where do I get my exam which my teacher has assigned me? So what I do, I click on the coverage, I click on the assessment center. Now after clicking on the coverage, after clicking on the assessment center, now see this paper has been assigned to me by my physics teacher. So for how do I appear the test? I have to click here. Now as soon as I click here, my test starts. Now say for example, this is the question. I click the correct answer. I click next. Say again, I read the question. I find out which is the correct answer. I tick the correct answer. I click next. Again, I click the correct answer. I click next. So this way, I will be appearing the correct answer and I'll be clicking next. Okay. So I'm done. Please ensure once you have attempted your question paper, please don't click back. I'm repeating, once you have completed your question paper or once you have attempted your test, please don't click back. Instead of that, please click OK. It is asking, do you want to end the test? Click OK. That means you're submitting your paper. So you click OK. Now as soon as you click OK, the paper gets submitted. Okay. Now in between, never click back. If you click back, then the paper will not get submitted. So please ensure that after attempting or after you have appeared all the questions, you are clicking on the OK, and as soon as you click on the OK, the paper will be submitted to your teacher. Now, once you have submitted your paper, and the paper will be received in the teacher end. Now, after the teacher has received the paper, the teacher will be correcting it. The teacher will correct your answer script, and they will be evaluating it. Okay, so your work finishes here. You click on the question, it will be coming, it will be popping up in your window. You click in that particular icon, you appear the test. After appearing the test, you click OK. Now as soon as you click OK, it will get auto submitted to your teacher. Okay, so I believe till this point it is clear. I will be coming up with a second tutorial where I'll show how you can see your answer sheet. Okay, so till this point I hope it is clear. So here I am closing it, or here I am winding up.